Hello everyone, welcome on Total Health and Fitness. 6 easy tips for teenagers to lose belly fat fast. Teenagers struggle with weight issues just as much as adults, and due to lack of guidance are far more likely to follow fad diets. These fad diets are not only potentially dangerous, they are generally ineffective, yielding only temporary results, and the diet itself is not sustainable. What teenagers really need is some healthy habits that they can incorporate into their lifestyle to really see long-term results. Here are 6 sustainable ways for teens to lose belly weight. 1. Don't skip breakfast. In a scientific study from Rush University Medical Center called The Science Behind Breakfast, it explained the benefits of eating breakfast every morning. One major benefit is that breakfast jumpstarts your metabolism, which automatically helps you burn more calories during the day. When you eat breakfast, you are letting your body know that there is plenty of food to eat. When you skip breakfast, your body gets the message that it needs to conserve energy instead of burning calories. Some examples of healthy breakfasts that you can eat are oatmeal with fruit and nuts, chia seed pudding, overnight oats, and smoothies. 2. Watch out for stress. Teens are under a lot of stress today. Stress from homework, problems with friends or relationships, stress from figuring out what to do in their future, and so much more. Stress increases your risk of obesity due to a stress hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is released when the body is under large amounts of stress, and it causes weight gain. Help your teen relax so they can lose more weight. Great ways to relax are to do yoga, go for a walk, read a book, or play a board game. 3. Get active. Exercise is one of the best ways to burn fat and gain muscle. Muscle is amazing because it boosts your metabolism, which will help you burn more calories throughout the day. Not only that, muscle takes more calories to maintain than fat does, even at a resting rate. A scientific study posted in Obesity, a research journal called Neurobiology of Exercise, explained how exercise is one of the best ways to limit obesity. 4. Make sure to drink lots of water. Teenagers are prone to drinking more sugary drinks than water. Whether it's from the vending machines at school or the cafeteria, it's not uncommon to see teenagers drinking large amounts of pop. Sugary drinks are full of empty calories that contain no nutrition. In order to lose weight, teenagers should substitute those drinks for water instead. 5. Stay away from added sugar. Foods that contain added sugar are extremely unhealthy for teens. Not only do they cause blood sugar spikes, they cause weight gain as well. Limiting the amount of unhealthy and processed foods that teens eat is a great way to lose weight. Foods such as candies, cookies, cakes, and other baked goods should be limited and replaced with foods that contain natural sugars such as fruit. If you want to bake a healthy dessert for your teen, try using healthier foods to sweeten it, such as dates. 6. Eat more fiber. Fiber is something that fills your body up, and helps promote regular bowel movements. Fiber acts as a broom in your colon, helping to keep everything moving. An article in Science Daily called Soluble Fiber Strikes a Blow to Belly Fat explained that the more fiber you eat, the easier it will be to lose weight. The foods that have the most fiber in them are fruits, vegetables, beans, legumes, and root vegetables. Nuts and seeds also contain high amounts of fiber. I hope this video helped you. Unfortunately, there's tons of diet and fitness advice online that looks like good advice but is actually sabotaging your weight loss for a very specific reason. If you want to learn more about how to lose belly fat fast for teenagers, check link in the description.